plate. But he gets the day off. Santana at short. 1-2 pitch swung on and missed. And that is strikeout number 200 for Corey Kluber on the year.
Well, it comes on the breaking ball. You can see that slider. That might have been a cutter.
Kluber's the 9th pitcher in Indians history to strike out 200 batters in a season. And these are the guys to get there the fastest. Kluber right behind Bartolo Colon. Got there 2 innings quicker 15 seasons ago.